Okay, so this is the last problem, which would ask you to use nested for loops to print out something that looked like this. Again, the formatting was off. So the way that it should go is it should look something like this, right? So a series of steps. And so the way that this would work to use a nested for loop is you would want to use the inner for loop to print this out, and then you would want to use the outer for loop to repeat it 3 times. So how would that look? It would look something like this here. So I'm just going to print this out. This is in pseudocode, but it's pretty straightforward. We have here an outer for loop, which is to run the inner for loop 3 times. The inner for loop is going to run 5 times, and each time through the inner for loop, it's going to move the turtle, I guess, 5 spaces. So move the turtle 5 spaces, and then come back up here, move the turtle 5 spaces. Do that 5 times, so in total, move the turtle forward 25 spaces. After this for loop is done executing, it's going to move the turtle down. And then, so that's basically making one step. This is moving the turtle horizontally a certain amount, and then moving the turtle down. And then it's going to come back up to the top of the for loop, and it's going to change I to 2 and repeat that process to make the next step. And then it's going to come up, change it to I to 1 and repeat this process to make the next step. Then it's going to increment I to be 2, and then repeat the inner for loop to draw the next step. And then it's going to come up, and I is going to go to 3, and the outer for loop is going to break. The program is going to end. So this was the last nested for loop problem.